What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse and thank you very much for tuning in. As you may know, every single day I go hunting for Hot Wheels, and today I only found one. There is going to be two Hot Wheels unboxings in this video, but one of them I got on eBay for a great deal. So let's start off with this one. I found this one here in town at a local Walmart. I went to Walmart, Target, and Walgreens and found nothing, absolutely nothing. Either they're picked over clean or they're just not restocking. Either way, I did find this one. I've been seeing this one everywhere. I'm not in love with it, but it's pretty cool. I do like Honda. Not overly in love with the four-door Civics, but you know, it's still pretty sick. Got the nice gold wheels, that interesting little tampo. Let's go ahead and rip it up. Let's take a look. Let's see here. There we are. Let's have a close-up look of the Civic Type R. You know, it's more like copper wheels. It's not quite gold. You tell me what you think in the comments. Is that copper or is that gold? Or maybe even bronze? Oh, just dropped it. And there's the plastic base right there. And there's the top. Looks like what they would probably call a carbon hood and a little carbon lip. I actually like it. Now that I've got it out of the package and I'm looking at it, I like it more than I thought I would. Pretty nice little casting. Like that quite a bit. Cool little wing right there. Type R wing. Awesome. Yeah, that one's actually pretty cool. I like that one. Alright, so we'll just put that one right there next to, let's move this package, next to the 124 scale Lamborghini Countach. That is a Franklin Mint model. And the next one up that I got from eBay is this bad boy. Check that out. My first Hot Wheels Countach. Awesome car. Check that out. The reason I have that out is because you can see, like, even though a lot of people don't like these 5-hole wheels, it's more accurate to what actually came on the Countach. As you guys probably know, you're probably all car guys, but not bad. I actually have the Auto Art Countach with no wing in silver, as a matter of fact. You can see it in my die-cast collection video, but I love this car, and I'm gonna go ahead and free it from its package. I'm not an expert on opening these things, obviously, because I guess I could have just popped it open. But I don't keep packaging, I just don't care. Oh, wow. Oh, that's pretty. Let's check out the back, though, just for fun. So this is from 1999, I take it? I guess? I don't know. I was told, at least I saw in a video, that these blue and white cards are only for 1 year. I think they said 95, but that could be wrong. I mean, it says right there, collect all the 1999 first editions. So I don't know. You guys tell me. You're the experts. I am still learning. But man, this is so awesome. I don't care if it's a $1 car, a $10 car, or a $30 car. I'm never leaving it in the package. Oh my gosh, look how cool. Yep, so I definitely have a new favorite in my collection. This is my favorite Hot Wheels. Awesome, awesome car. Let's see. It does say Countach right there, 1997? Okay, so we got some conflicting dates. But maybe that was just the, you know, the copyright or trademarking of this casting. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Fun fact about the Countach. Oh, it has the Hot Wheels logo right there. Awesome. That's so cool. But fun fact about the Countach. Every piece of glass on this car is flat. No curvature whatsoever. Wow, this is awesome. Kind of begs to be painted, but I like it just the way it is. Hot Wheels goodness. Oh, I love this car. Could not be happier. Let's put it over here. So what is this thing? Car case. So, oh, this is actually just a protector for the card, and I went ahead and ruined it by putting a put a nice slice in it. I really don't care. I don't keep on-card stuff. That's just trash to me. But look at these awesome cars. Beautiful. Love these. So quick little recap. Got the 2016 Civic Type R. Awesome. And then we got the Countach. So happy with today's pickups. These are going to go great in my collection. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. Please subscribe and like, and we will see you tomorrow.